New York City, the epicenter of the pandemic in the U.S., entered phase one of a four-phase reopening plan on Monday. And on Wall Street, the NASDAQ closed at an all-time high, while the S&P 500 is now in positive territory for the year on hopes for a swift economic recovery. Our Kim Jae-hee has this report.
New York City was officially back in business on Monday, exactly 100 days after the city's first COVID-19 case was confirmed. The first phase of its four-phase reopening plan allowed some 400,000 workers to resume their jobs at some 32,000 construction sites, wholesale and manufacturing centers, and retail sites in the city. The mayor of New York welcomed the reopening.
Day 100 of the coronavirus crisis, and it is the day that we start to liberate ourselves from this disease, the day we move forward. Phase one of the restart begins today in New York City.
At the same time, he cautioned against the city letting its guard down, saying that could risk all the progress made so far. U.S. stocks soared on Monday amid expectations from investors that the U.S. economy was on the road to recovery. The tech-heavy NASDAQ posted a new all-time closing record on Monday after adding over 1.1%. The Dow Jones was up 1.7% and the S&P 500 rose 1.2%, fully recovering from the losses caused by COVID-19. An investment expert said the gains were on the back of hopes of an economic recovery and faith that the Federal Reserve will keep making moves that benefit the market.
Today's market action was three main things. A follow-through from the enthusiasm of last Friday. B, a bet that the Fed will continue to hammer rates down and to buy almost any security except equity securities, which make equity securities go up in price. And third, the most probable direction for stocks on any day is the direction from the prior day.
While some experts forecast stocks to continue on an upward trajectory, others have cautioned that the rise could be short-term as uncertainty still lingers. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.